and the Supreme Court has upheld the Constitution. They have stood with the right of people to vote, and this is a big blow to the present Janta, I would say.
If the government shies away from elections, what will be next for you or for the party itself?
Well, if they shy away, it's for the Supreme Court to say. It's a Supreme Court decision. If they shy away, Supreme Court can send the Prime Minister home in contempt of court.
But would we be seeing PTI coming back and filing a motion against the contempt of court against
Yeah, if they do, we will surely will do. But I hope that Prime Minister will not go that way. Prime Minister will act on the Supreme Court order, and I hope other institutions will also follow the suit. You see, at this juncture, I would like to actually invite the government that they should sit with us, and there should be negotiations on the framework of elections. While Pakistan is in a huge economic crisis right now, we all need to work out on these issues instead of fighting 24/7.
There's a federal cabinet meeting today, a special one. Yesterday there was one as well. Are we expecting some sort of more political drama coming in, or do you expect as a party?
Well, at the moment, government is on the course of on the conflict course with the Supreme Court of Pakistan. That is obviously that has huge repercussions when the government and executive stands against the Supreme Court. But not the first time, and not the first time in the history of the world that the countries do experience these kind of situations. And ultimately, government has to bow to the people of Pakistan.
Right.